Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal app. Here we go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window we will search about the application of PayPal and we click. Here in this window of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. As you see in this page, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.